this is another tutorial on how to like awaken your equipment and to level up your equipment. Here we go. So if you like pick the highest number of or value or item and you pick that item and then you pick another 2, so you're gonna use 3 in total to awaken. You see what I mean? I'll do this quickly as well. I don't really show you what I mean. So I'm gonna go for this set. Then just run through quickly so you can see. Rinse, repeat until you get to the desired thing you want. This because it's max level, so I'm going to unlock it and lock a better one and level it up, and I'll get my points back. So you can see what I mean. I'll get my points back. Okay. Just double checking before I commit. Lock it, see? I get all of my level equipment back. Got something else. Just find something. This is how you level up something. Just give you an example. Yeah. Why not? Just think about doing something else, but I just changed my mind a few times. There you go, and that'll be about it, I think. So I hope you found this useful. You know, just another little tutorial for you there. Okay, out.